Hello everybody, it's me, I'm back. Welcome to Vlogmas day 1. I don't really know what this is going to be this year. I'm going to be really honest with you. I've got a few things to talk to you about. I'm so snotty right now, it's not even cute. I've just filmed a ZARA haul, so that is coming. I've got a vlog that I filmed about a week back that's going up on Monday, and then the ZARA haul will just be up like straight after that. Like, I'm not even like playing about with upload dates anymore in December. I'm just going to drop stuff when I have it. So it is the 1st of December. It's a very rainy Saturday. Like, it's dark in my house and it's 10:35. My mum is coming in an hour to help me clear out my kitchen cupboards. Basically, my house just needs a massive sort through and reorganize, and my mum is just the queen of organization. She really is. So I was talking about the fact that I need to sort through everything and reorganize and all of that, and she was literally dying for me to ask her. So she's coming over. I think she's very excited about it, really. So that is kind of the gist of today. Then tomorrow I'll probably vlog a little bit of tomorrow and put it in this vlog. I'm just kind of like gonna not really try too much this December. I feel like October I wanted it to be so much better than it was, and there was so much going on and there was a lot of pressure on me to do lots of other things behind the scenes that I couldn't really talk about, and I just got to the last 3 days and I just couldn't do it anymore. That's what happened to me in October. It was really intense, and if I could go back I would have done it very differently. I think I also am so used to making really long vlogs now that I felt like everyone had to be like really long, and you might not get that with this one. I just kind of want to scale things back a little bit. There's going to be so much coming up, and I don't like to spoil things. I like to keep you on your toes. But yeah, what am I saying? But yeah, I can't commit to necessarily a video upload every single day. I can't even commit to vlogging every day at the moment. I love December and I love the community that we have, and I do really enjoy uploading really often because I get to like speak to you more often. But I just, for my mental sanity, I've got so much on this month. Like, this has been the busiest 3 months of my life. After next week I feel like it's really gonna like free up, and I'm so excited because then I think I can finally stop being such a bloody Grinch. I find I don't vlog properly when my brain is elsewhere, and if I've got a lot of other things on, I find like the actual like content of my videos always lacks. It's that awful catch-22 between like the work that I do alongside YouTube allows me to do YouTube and make my organic content, and that be like my life, and I don't have to like, you know, go to an office job every day. Like, I don't have to work in events anymore, which is fab. Hopefully I will start to kind of like relax into things over the next couple of weeks, which is fab because I just need to like have some time to like mentally breathe. That's my life at the moment. It's basically working and decluttering my house slash reorganizing my house slash making myself a more organized human being. That is my life. That and ZARA hauls. That's my life. If anyone's wondering what lipstick I'm wearing today, it's MAC's Hug Me. It's so beautiful. I went in there the other day and basically got myself a whole new wardrobe of nude lipsticks, and I've never been happier. Like, I just love them. Like, colours I never ever hear anyone talk about, and they're so like really like perfect for my skin tone. I'm really happy with them. So yeah, that is my lipstick. That's what's on my face. I've got the Dior foundation on, Benefit brows, YSL concealer and eyeliner, NARS Climax mascara. Oh, on that note, we can open my advent calendar. So yeah, this is my Christmas tree. It's very like Scandi, so I kind of like, it's quite sporadic. It's not got like a ton of stuff on it, and everything's kind of like different shapes and like sizes and stuff like that. Yeah, day 1 of my advent calendar. Oh my god, it's really hard to see the numbers on this. Is it mascara? Is it... Ooh! How cute! It's a tiny NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dragon Girl, and I don't have this one. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cute. Not gonna lie though, I am quite sad that I don't have a chocolate advent calendar. I'm quite tempted. I've got a little while before my mum arrives, and I'm quite tempted to go out and get a chocolate advent calendar.
Hello. Hello. Hi, come here.
So me and my mum have finished doing my kitchen. It is so thoroughly cleansed. It actually makes my soul so happy. All the cupboards are so neat and tidy, if not a little bit bare. So yeah, I'm off to find an advent calendar. So I thought I'd show you this delightful little outfit I've got. I've just been helping my mum put some stuff in the car. So yeah, Ugg boots. They just look so chic. I'm wearing this jumper. I love this jumper so much. It's from Pretty Little Thing. It's so nice. It's like, just kind of like a mid, I think it's meant to be like a crop, but I don't have the longest body in the world. So it's just kind of like a mid-length jumper. I've just tucked it in to these tracky bottoms, which are from ASOS. They have pockets. They kind of look quite smart for tracky bottoms on the kind of first look, but just know that they are actually covered in fuzz. Yeah, Fendi bag, Ugg boots, and then I've got big hoop earrings from ASOS, my Alex Monroe B necklace, and I think I've got MAC blankety on at the moment. I had to switch. I always get, does anyone else get this one patch of makeup that just stays and everything else rubs off? Like here and here, gone. It's just this one patch. I'm going to redo that in a second. Yes. I promise tomorrow's outfit will be better. I'm going out for a birthday lunch, so I will actually dress properly. Now it is time to cue the Christmas jingle. So honestly, not sure how I ended up being this lucky, but I managed to get not one but 2 advent calendars. This isn't me being massively greedy, by the way. I got one. Oh, I'm blurry. That's good. Just bear with. I got one for Lois as well, just because they were a couple, and I felt sad. And I felt sad leaving. Felt sad leaving the other one on its own. Anyway, I'm gonna get home and just chill and make some food. I'm very excited to relax. Very excited. I might listen to some Christmas music actually whilst I drive. Be the first time this year. I feel like it's got to be done. Ariana Grande Christmas. Where is that? Do I have that? I'm sure I must have that. Oh, this. Oh, great. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I love a click. Literally, this brings me so much joy. It's silly. It's just, it's not Christmas if you don't have a chocolate advent calendar. So cute. Love it. I kind of need some fairy lights for this fireplace, I think. But this looks very, very festive. It's very cute. Very, very cute. Yeah, I'm gonna make myself some dinner now. So you'll probably just have like an evening montage, and then I'll see you again tomorrow. Morning. So I am currently waiting for my ride to the gym. I thought in the meantime I would show you a couple of bits that arrived from Topshop. I ordered a few bits, but I'm just going to show you what I'm keeping, because basically I ordered a suit and it's just way too long on me and I keep it. But I thought I'd show you a couple of bits that I am keeping. Some of you might know, but some of you might not know, I am a Topshop ambassador, so I pick a few things every single month and make a little outfit out of them. And I just picked up a couple of these bits just to kind of try them on, see how they were. I wanted to do like a kind of party style outfit, something that was kind of like New Year's appropriate or something like that. I wasn't really sure. I picked these up just to give them a little try on, and they're really, really cute, so I thought I'd show them to you. First thing is these shorts. These are so cute, and I thought they'd look really, really lovely with a like black velvet shirt or black like sheer shirt or any kind of black shirt. I thought they'd look really, really beautiful with. I am hosting a few like parties over the Christmas period, so I thought these would actually be really nice for like a house party in your house where you don't need to like wear really, really warm like party wear. And I love wearing like shorts when you have a like, or a play suit or things like that when you have a house party, because you can kind of like just dance around and it's just like feels really easy to wear and really comfortable. And I also picked up this dress, which is really, really cute. It's got this kind of cutout over the shoulder. It's really, really beautiful, and this trim kind of goes all the way down to the bottom. It's very, very cute. A nice little spin on a classic little black dress. Really like that. I thought it'd be quite cute. I think little black dresses are perfect for those like I don't know what to wear evenings. But yeah, I thought this would be really, really cute. And then finally I picked up some boots. These are really cute, and I don't really own anything like this at the moment. So they're lace up and they've got like buckles over them, are like kind of low heel with a pointed toe. I just think these are stunning. I absolutely love them. I feel like these would be quite good, like not just for like day to day, like I could wear these to meetings, but I could also wear them just on an everyday basis. But I also feel like if you didn't want to wear heels on a night out, these could work really, really nicely depending on the outfit that you wear. I just think these could be quite cool with a dress. So yeah, I think these are really versatile. I also feel like they're like dupes of like a boot that Chloe do. So yeah, I will link these in the info box if you want to get your hands on them, but I think these are freaking beautiful. These are something that I see myself keeping and wearing for a really, really long time. They're a very, very me item. These are my new little bits, hopefully coming soon to an Instagram grid near you. Right, I need to go on and edit this bit of the Vlogmas right now before Ian gets here. What's the time? Oh, it's really raining outside. That's not cute. Okay, I've got 10 minutes. Fab. I might take you with me to the gym this morning. I'll see how we go. Ian hasn't been in my vlogs before, I don't think. We'll see how we go, but I thought it'd be cool to maybe take you along with me. It's not my typical gym routine. I'll probably show you that more in the new year, but yeah, see how we go. I haven't been to the gym in a little while, so wish me luck.
What have you got to film?
I thought I'd film part of my workout. Can you be my cameraman?
Yeah.
Made it to the gym. Oh, I thought I looked so much cuter before I left the house.
Is this the camera you took when you're filming?
Yeah. Everything. He's wearing his snazzy pink hoodie that I want to steal. We almost match. We love a neutral. I'm surprised I remember that code, it's been so long. I haven't done this in so long. It is going to absolutely kill me. That's my incline. That's my speed. So I've got at least 20 minutes of this. Alright, hello. I'm back from the gym. I have about 10 minutes to get ready before I'm officially late. Story of my life, blah blah blah. So I've had a nice productive morning. I went to the gym. I like going to the gym on a Sunday with Ian because he pushes me a little bit further than I'd normally go, but not as hard as my PT. So it's like a nice balance of someone being there to hold you accountable and to give you and to like come up with ideas of stuff to do that's actually like quite hard. But it's not like when I go to the gym and see my friend Alex and he literally like, you can't get away with not doing something with him. So yeah, that was fun. I popped into the office, picked up one of my laptops because I really need the jingle for Vlogmas and it's not on my laptop, so I had to go pick up the other one. I'm gonna do this really, really quick and I will see you guys at lunch. I feel like this vlog's gonna be really long already, so we're just gonna skip through the makeup chat. Okay, somehow I'm on time. I'm very happy about this. I'm ready to go. All of my stuff is packed. I had stuff that I really wanted to, like advent calendars that I really wanted to give my family. So that's all waiting downstairs. We are ready to go. Outfit time. I really like today's outfit. It's very black. So I am wearing this crop top from Pretty Little Thing. My trousers are also from Pretty Little Thing. My boots are ZARA from last year, but they always do something a little bit like this. And then my bag is also from ZARA. I have 2 laptops in here and a whole load of stuff. This bag and this bag here, they are like my lifesavers for like carrying loads and loads of things. So yeah, that is my outfit. I'm driving places today and it's not too cold, so I ain't bothering with a jacket. So yeah, I'm just rolling like this. That is it from me for now. We'll see you in a little bit. Hello everybody, coming at you from probably about half an hour to an hour after this video has gone live. I am in the office. I've got my little hooligans with me. This is Sean. This is my brother Nick. You may remember him from past videos. We should probably do another one of those. I'm older now. Does not look like a child. We must look so different to the last time we did a video. I have hair here. You have facial hair. I have less facial hair. It's just editing this video that you are watching right now, and I thought I would just sign off because this video is meant to be live half an hour ago and it's not live, and I've come all the way to the office especially because this video will upload in about 2 minutes here, which is very exciting. So I'm gonna get on and edit this, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video, and then I'll see you guys on Tuesday for my ZARA haul. So don't forget to come back on Tuesday. And also I've uploaded a house tour last week, so please can you go and watch that, and there's lots of other videos. I'll put my November videos in the info box in a playlist, but yeah, house tour, I feel like a lot of you will want to see that, so go and give it a watch. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you lots, and I'll see you again soon. Bye. That was the quickest sign off in the world. Bye.